Say woof. Say hello to the dog.
Oh, God, dog.
Where's the doggy? Say hello to the doggy. Say woof.
Daddy, go.
All right, let's go see Daddy. What are you chewing? What's that in your mouth?
No.
Huh?
Daddy, this.
Yep, your daddy's getting the car ready.
Go, Daddy.
Yeah, car ready.
Go. Go.
What's that? Oh, that's a squirrel. See the squirrel climbing up the tree? That's a squirrel.
Let's go. Listen. Go, go.
Where'd the squirrel go? Squirrel go up the tree? Did he go up the tree? Are you blowing it off? The squirrel's gonna fall down? You're a silly guy. That's what you are, Noah. Who's a silly guy?
Go.
It's a squirrel. All right, let's go for a ride. Your daddy's waiting.
Oh, Daddy.
He spotted a squirrel in the tree and he tried to blow it out.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Oh.
All right, can you get in the seat by yourself?
Oh, Daddy.
Wow, you're doing very good.
This is Grandma Moise's car you're getting in.
Yeah. That's your Mumu's car.
What is he chewing on?
Your Famu's car. Father's mother in Swedish.
Oh, that's right. I got your
Yeah.
text, your email there.
Famu.
What do you got in your mouth?